Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide all photos and posts and videos on Facebook from public. So as you can see right here, we're gonna just go ahead and open up the Facebook and make sure that you log in and update the app to the latest version if you haven't already updated. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click on your menu at the below right corner, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna click on my profile at the top left, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click next to the edit profile, the three dots, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just see right here an option called lock profile, and what that tells me that all my photos and posts and videos will not be in the public. That person or that they need to add you as a friend, and they need your approval in order to see all of your photos, posts and videos on Facebook, right? So this is like the best solution to actually prevent from seeing prevent people from seeing all of your photos and videos and posts that you made on your own Facebook profile or Facebook feed. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.